Hey guys, it's Jessie from MoolahSavingMom.com, and today I want to show you this super easy way to turn an old empty candle into a super cute storage container. I'm going to use this in my laundry room to keep any spare change that comes around, but it's super easy and super inexpensive to upcycle an empty candle holder. So this was a candle. It has a super cute black lid, and I just cleaned it out really good. And so really I'm only going to use a couple things. I'm going to have my empty candle jar with the lid. I use the Cricut to cut out the word thankful, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could use stickers, you could hand paint it, or you could just leave it blank. And then I'm going to use some cardstock, and this is just like a black, dark gray, plaid-ish color. And so what I'm gonna do is actually, we're gonna put this on the inside, and then we're gonna put the word thankful on the outside. Whoops. So what I did was mark how high I needed this to come up inside the jar, because I wanted to fill the jar up, but I don't want it to come out the top because I want to be able to put the lid on it. So I'm cutting the strip, as you can see, just to fit inside, and it's just gonna use this piece of tape to keep it where it needs to be. So there I have it. The inside of the jar is now decorated, and then I'm just gonna apply this to the outside. And so before I started taping, I went ahead and weeded it all out so that it would be, no one had to sit and watch me weeding forever, because it takes me forever still to weed anything. I'm super slow at it. Now I'm just gonna press it on really good. But the other great thing is by not attaching the paper to the inside. Anytime I want to change my decor, or maybe I want to do, a Christmas one, it's just cardstock on the inside. It's super inexpensive to change it out. So like if you wanted to do it for Valentine's Day, you could put some red or pink heart paper. So many different options. You can change it out to pastels for spring, and dark ruby tones for the fall. But I have a farmhouse theme in my house, so like a modern farmhouse more than anything. And so I'm gonna go with this plaid. Yay, finished. All right, so there we go. Super easy, basically free if you have some vinyl and some cardstock, but you could use anything. And now I can put this in my laundry room on the shelf and keep all of the change that gets left in people's pockets hidden away in here. So when mom wants to buy a Starbucks, she's got a stash of cash.